If your Samsung phone is locked with a pattern and you can't remember it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 6 effective ways to unlock a Samsung pattern lock, starting from advanced methods to easier official solutions. Method 1. Unlock Samsung pattern lock using ADB. This method works only if USB debugging was enabled on your Samsung phone before it got locked. Connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable, open command prompt or terminal. Use ADB commands to remove the lock screen files. Reboot your phone. This method is technical and may not work on newer Android versions. Method 2. Unlock Samsung pattern lock using Smart Lock. If Smart Lock was enabled before the phone was locked, this can be an easy fix. Smart Lock automatically unlocks your phone when you're in a trusted location, connected to a trusted Bluetooth device, on body detection is active. Simply go to the trusted place or connect the trusted device, then unlock the phone. Method 3. Unlock Samsung pattern lock using MagFone Android Unlocker. For users who want a simple and guided solution, MagFone Android Unlocker is a reliable option. With MagFone Android Unlocker, you can remove pattern, PIN, password, fingerprint, and face lock. Unlock Samsung phones in minutes. Follow clear step-by-step instructions. Support many Samsung models and Android versions. Just connect your phone to a computer, select Remove Screen Lock, and follow the on-screen steps. Method 4. Unlock using Samsung Find My Mobile feature. If your Samsung account was signed in before the phone was locked, this method works well. Go to Find My Mobile Samsung website, sign in with your Samsung account, select your locked phone, click Erase Data and proceed with your choice. Method 5. Unlock using Google Find My Device. If the phone is linked to your Google account, you can erase it remotely. Visit Google Android Find website, sign in with your Google account. Select your Samsung phone, choose Erase Device. This method erases all data and requires Google account verification afterward. Method 6. Boot your device into recovery mode. If nothing else works, you can factory reset the phone. Power off the phone. Press and hold power plus volume up, enter recovery mode. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset, reboot the device. This will erase all data and may trigger FRP.